Got it here.
My pop.
Until you see stupid somebody, what the kid? Ah!
Excuse me, stop that.
It's just a test.
Now scam!
Who wants KFC?
Ah!